January reflections. January was a little difficult for me. Now, before I talk to you about the subject matter of this video, I really urge you to subscribe to our channel BND TV so you never miss a video that we upload over here. And don't forget to boop that bell button so that you get a notification and you know we have uploaded the video. I had been unwell for quite some time. First, I got a nasty flu, then something went wrong with my tummy. I was coughing a lot. That kind of made me tired. I had a little bit of pain all over the body, and in general, my energy was low. I couldn't really exercise as much as I would have. Yes, I continued doing my 10,000 plus steps a day, even though I was not well. But there were days when I could not even go over 5 or 6,000 steps. And the one thing I guess I learned from this entire January 2024 experience was don't take the body for granted. When you are feeling fit and strong, unfortunately laziness and procrastination kicks in. I will do the gym later. What's the big deal? I'll just not go today. It's all right if I don't walk my 10,000 steps tonight. It's fine. It's all right. Just bring on the pizza. Once in a while, if you have a big huge cheat meal, it doesn't matter. Don't fall into this trap. Don't take health for granted. When you can move, move. I have seen that because I was exercising, because I was doing my regular sadhana, January was not as difficult as it could have been. Health came back pretty quickly. And even when I was not feeling so good, I still managed to function. I still managed to travel, to finish all my teaching commitments. I guess my big lesson from January 2024 is just because you are feeling fit and healthy and strong doesn't mean it is going to continue forever. You can easily fall sick. The human body is wonderful yet weird. You do all the right things and yet something may just go wrong and throw you completely for a toss. But when you have done all the right things and when that thing does go wrong, you bounce back much faster and you remain functional. So take care of your body. It's the only one you have got. And it is the source of such amazing pleasure. But it can also become the source of really terrible pain. So think about that. Tell me what you are going to do to keep your body strong, fit, healthy, and your mind happy in the comments below. And I'll see you in the next one.